Every human life begins with a single cell formed when one sperm out of millions reaches and fertilizes an egg.
Inside the human body, during intercourse, about 300 million sperm enter the vagina. Many die instantly in the acidic environment.
But some survive and swim toward the cervix. Around ovulation, cervical mucus becomes thin.
Only a few thousand make it through the uterine cavity, guided by muscular contractions and fluids toward the fallopian tubes. If an egg has been released, it waits inside the fallopian tube, surrounded by protective layers. The sperm become molted in a final burst of energy. Out of millions, only a few dozen reach the egg. Each releases enzymes to break through the outer layers.
But only one successfully fuses with the egg's membrane. In that instant, all others are blocked.
The sperm's nucleus and the egg's nucleus move toward each other, carrying 23 chromosomes each.
When they combine, a new genetic code is formed, completely unique, determining every trait of the future.
Begins dividing rapidly while traveling toward the uterus. Within a few days, the zygote implants into the uterine wall,
marking the true beginning of a new human life.
From one microscopic cell to billions, this is how every person's journey begins.
Subscribe to and Men's Health 036 for more short and clear 3D videos explaining the wonders of the human body.